Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can link internally between your notes in the Obsidian Notes application. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your workspace or vault on Obsidian Notes, then navigate to the given note. I will go with this example presentation note here and click into the text field here. So there where you would like to place your internal link and link. Let's say, for example, let us link to this file here within that workspace. So what you want to do is enable the internal links first, because for me at least this function was disabled due to /commands being disabled. So you will need to activate or enable these /commands first. To do that, click into that gear icon in the bottom left, navigate to core plugins and scroll down till you get to /commands. And for me it was disabled, so if that's the case for you, you will need to toggle it on here to the right. You can close the menu here, return to your file or to your note, left click and then enter the command / and then internal, for example, and you will see the command suggestion below. Select add internal link, and then you will see a list of all files and notes from your workspace. So what you want to do is select the given one, and then you will see the linking here. So if I press enter and skip to the next line, the link will remain or be kept, and you will see also the visual representation of the given link, and also how it is connected with other nodes within your workspace. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.